Good morning, math tips. I am an elementary reading and math interventionist, and I want to give some super quick and easy things you can do in the car. They are not paper pencil to help your child build their early numeracy skills. So if you have a pre-K, kindergarten, first grader, even I work with some second graders who are still trying to build these skills. A big skill is counting, and you're probably thinking, well, duh, obviously, but not just counting forwards, really understanding how numbers in the number line works. And so a huge thing that you can do at home that is so simple is counting backwards. I cannot tell you how many kids they just don't have that skill yet, for lack of a better way of explaining it. And it's so important because that is how our number systems works. We need to be able to count backwards and numbers that come before. How about one before? How about two before? And so counting backwards really does also help them with their counting forwards, adding on to numbers, taking away from numbers. So you're in the car, you're driving. Let's start at, and don't always start at 0 or on the decade. Like, don't always start at 10 or 20. So, hey, let's start at the number 13 and let's count forward to 30. Okay, now we've done that. Let's start at 27 and count down to 20. Things like that. Another super easy one is a lot of parents will say, well, I know that they can count by tens. I listen to them say 10, 20, 30, 40, but their assessment is showing that they cannot. So sometimes kids just have skills like that memorized, but they don't exactly know what they're doing. So teachers will tell you to practice counting off the decade. And if you're not a teacher, you might be like, what are they talking about off the decade? That means starting at a number that is not a tens number. So let's start at 7 and count forwards by tens. That is really helping them to reinforce, I'm adding another 10, 7, 17, 27, and so on. Super easy, no paper pencil. When my kids were learning this, I would make like hopscotch with things. Okay, jump to the number that's 10 more, like with sidewalk chalk. You could also put like paper on the ground. Hop to the number that's 3 more. Hop to the number that is 2 back. Things like that. Counting backwards. Try it.